Good morning everyone, Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have hauls from Poundland, Sainsbury's and TK Maxx for you. This morning I went out looking for fall/autumn decor and I came back empty-handed when it comes to home decor. For fall anyway, but I did end up buying a load of stuff, so I thought I would still share it with you. Now I went to Poundland, and if you don't know what Poundland is, everything there is £1, sometimes £2 and other times £5. Now I only tend to buy the stuff that is £1, but I did make an exception today because I found these beauties. These are compatible with my Dolce Gusto pod machine, and these were £2. So I have never tried these before or seen them anywhere. They're Cafe Bertoni. I ended up getting a box of cafe au lait, a box of caramel latte and a box of cappuccino creme. Now these were the only three flavors they did, so I'm going to try them out and I'll soon will let you know if they are any good. For £2, and there's 10 drinks per box, so that was a pretty good deal. I also picked up a box of my instant lattes. I don't think I've ever tried this brand, but it also says it's Rainforest Alliance certified coffee. I'll give it a try. They look very much like the Nescafe ones. But anyway, I saw these. Let me show you a bit better. It's basically a seatbelt safety, no, a belt buddy. I was just reading the garb. Basically, it clips onto your child's seat belt. Sometimes Alex's belt digs in a bit, so when I saw that I thought, oh, I'll grab it. He'll probably think it's cute, or he might say that's a bit too babyish, which is a new thing now, but hopefully he'll like it and it will just help. They had a tiger and they had like a bear in uniform, I think, like guards uniform, the Queen's Guards. But I thought that was cuter. The other one looked a lot like nastier, cheap kind of thing. Anyway, I got some vitamins, again, for Alex. And I picked up Lemsip Daytime Cold and Flu. If you have never bought these from Poundland, guys, these are £1, where if you go into a supermarket, you're looking at £2-3 for these. So I love stocking up. So when the cold season comes, boom, I'm ready. I also, if you guys don't know yet, Paul's away on deployment, and one of the things we as military wives do, and family and friends do this as well, is we send little packages to him with things that he needs, but also with things that he likes, and to make him feel a little bit special. So I intend to send the first box this week. I will show you guys what I put in it, but I picked up a few bits. I asked him if he needed anything, and he needed pens. So when I was in Poundland, I picked up a pack of 4. They're the big brand, which is a great brand. Picked him up one of those, and I also saw this one, and this one is the ones where you pull this lever down and basically changes color. So it's got the black, the blue, the red and the green. And I went into Sainsbury's after Poundland, and these were selling for £3 something, so £1. I also, this is not for Paul, but I couldn't believe it. It's the first time I've seen Sharpie at Poundland. You can buy the other brands that pretend to be Sharpie, but to actually see Sharpie, I don't know if I've said Sharpie enough times, but there you go. I was pleased with that. I also got these card revisions. I actually got this to send to Paul. They're basically, you guys know what these look like. If he wants to make some notes and have a little pad with him, I thought these would come in handy. He might say no, but you never know. The other thing that is always great to put in a package is sweets. So I got him a bag of Mawam stripes, and these are actually the Halloween, so they've got some Halloween candy already in there. I've got 2 bags. I'm trying not to rustle them too much. I won't send it all at once, you know, but I thought, oh, he likes those, I'll get a couple of boxes, eh? I saw these and I thought, I'll see if Alex would like to try these as a little treat. They're by Cadbury's Mini Stars. Check that out. I've never seen those before. For all I know, they've been around for ages, but thought they looked really good. And then, oh, I saw as well this coffee for £1, which is really good. Again, you would pay £2 to £3. I've never tried it before. It's 100% Arabica coffee, medium roast ground coffee. So I picked that up to put in my pantry. Hopefully it will taste good. I got some bin bags, very exciting. And then I got some Dove shampoo and conditioner. I love anything Dove or Nivea. I love, those are my favorite type of smells, and I do really like how my hair feels with the Dove. And this one is the Daily Moisture. Don't know if you can see that. There you go. So I grabbed those for £1 each. I also grabbed these Caramel Crunch by Thornton's. Thought these is something that I'll keep in my pantry, and if I have to go somewhere for coffee, you know, to visit a friend for coffee or something, I can pop those in my bag if I haven't baked that day. It's always nice. I mean, they're Thornton's, so it's a really good brand, and they look really yummy. I got some Halloween candy, just some little chocolates. They have like skulls, pumpkins, and little cats. I thought I'll start building my stock for when Halloween comes, you know, to give out to all the kids. I got some toothpaste for Alex, very exciting. And what else? Oh, the lady at the checkout was like, get some Skittles. Everybody loves Skittles. They come in individual packs, so again, I'll keep them for Halloween. I might send some to Paul too. Is that everything? Oh, one more thing from Poundland. I saw these little hooks. They're actually by 3M, so you can see. So they're good brand, and there's 6 in the pack. They always come in handy, right? And that is it for Poundland. I then went to TK Maxx. I actually went to TK Maxx first, and I thought if anyone's going to have home decor for the fall, it will be TK Maxx. One of you guys actually mentioned that, but I think it was too early. They had a small selection for Halloween, but really, really small, and I am not a Halloween person. Alex doesn't like Halloween, is too scary, so I wasn't interested. But I had a little nose around, and I'm going to show you what I got. I got some more Himalayan salt. This is $1.99. And I also picked up a hand soap, liquid soap, honey and lavender. I didn't actually smell it, did I? Oh, it smells very, very much of honey and lavender, actually. It says what it does what it says on the tin. I picked this up for my upstairs bathroom. It's got the brown and the pinkish colour, I think, and then I'll just refill, you know. I thought that was quite good. And that was $3.99. And then, okay, the only other stuff I got there was candles. I was really impressed. They did actually have some some fall candles. They smelled unbelievably bad. I am not a huge fan of food flavoured candles. I don't mind it if they're not overpowering, but this stuff, they had one which was pumpkin sugar or something like that, and it was just so intense. Right, just took the candles out, but I found a few And I actually got a salted caramel pumpkin one. And I thought, well, if I put it on and it's too intense, I'll just keep it. I might take the lid off and just see if it wafts a little bit, but not too much. How cute is that? I love the packaging. I love the colour and the little lid as well. I thought that was super cute. I think, yeah, I've got another one very similar. They're all very similar size. It's fairly, it's not a big candle. I mean, you know what I mean? It's not huge, but it's not like the votive candles either. That was $2.99. All the candles I got were $2.99, and they're this sort of size. $2.99, guys. I thought that, yeah, you see? I can't make them. I'll let you know. If the problem for me is that if when they burn, they're really strong. They'll give me a headache. But what, like I said, what I might just do is take the lid off, and sometimes, you know, you can get a little whiff, and a little whiff is fine. If it's too much. I then also got this one, which is Woodland Forest plus Clove. Includes essential oils, green, earthy and spiced. This is what it looks like, and again it was $2.99, the same size as the other. That's better. That's a lot earthier, you know, without the cloves being overwhelming, you know, because cloves remind me of dentists as a bit. So I thought that, again, that was really cute, and I liked the colour. And then I got this one, Soothing Crystal. And I think this was the one that I was like, I've got to have it. Yes. It smells, I don't know, mineral. I know that sounds weird, but... And again, $2.99. Comes with the lid. I like that. And that was all I got in TK Maxx. I was also really disappointed with Sainsbury's. Usually they have a lovely home range. There were a lot of empty shelves, so I have a feeling that I went as they're moving into the autumn winter season. So I might pop back in a couple of weeks, or maybe a week even, and see if they've had, what's going on with the hair? Sorry. And see if they've had anything else come in stock, because it was pretty dire actually. They usually have loads, and yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what I got. I got these cheese savouries. Again, this is to send to Paul. And I also got this top for myself. I really like the blue and white classic stripes, and you might have seen me wearing this type of tops quite a lot. Well, I picked up my top, the one that I had that's blue and white stripes, and it had a huge bleach mark at the bottom. This is why I have to wear aprons. I don't usually use bleach, so I don't know if it was still obviously something that I used that discoloured the top, so I had to throw it out, which I was pretty gutted. It was from Next and it cost me like 20 quid. So I went to Sainsbury's and I found this one, and it comes with a scarf, which I really like. It's one of those infinity scarves, you know what I mean? Sorry if it doesn't look very good, but this was £12, so it's a plain blue and white, and it has a little detail there with buttons. I thought that was good as a replacement for my other one. So there you go, £12. And then the last thing I picked up were these. I have never seen these before. It said on it new, and they were selling them for £1. It's Oreo Joy Fills. I mean, wow. Now I picked this up for Paul, and I realised that when I was thinking about it, that Paul doesn't actually like Oreos, so sorry, Paul. I'll do better next week. I promise. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Bye. Take care.